I had another one of these fail. These get quite hot, and they have a thermal compound on the back because they're using this as a heat sink to try and help keep these cool. So you will have to clean that off. And you can do that with mineral spirits. I 3D printed this jig. It's an assembly jig. It shows me where those lights will be, and it gives me a better idea if that dome will fit on here, because that dome is pretty shallow. I'll take these lights off, and I'll use that to mark where I'm going to drill the holes. And this will be available on Thingiverse if you're interested. Just put that on there like that. Mark where the two holes go, drill it. This is fairly thin material. These little gadgets, I forget what these are called. They will be listed in the description for this video. And I think that will tighten up tight enough to hold that. If not, I can always put one of these nuts on there and tighten it from both sides. Where this goes, two of those lights will be bright enough. And I have one more that I know is just a matter of time. I have laid that out to be 3 bulbs. And again, take the bulbs off and use it to drill the holes. I think I mentioned in a previous video, the center post that goes in here and holds the dome in place, these were originally threaded on the older or the original versions of these. Now they just push on, you can't reuse them. So this is one of the older ones. I moved this hole 5/16 of an inch closer to here and re-drilled it. And then these pieces tightened up quite well. That center post is in there. The wires are spliced together. I soldered those together, put a piece of heat shrink on it and a little bit of black tape. These bulbs just have a little clearance from the metal. The dome goes on, and only because I have it, I will use that foam washer. All this does is hold the dome in place until we can get it up on the ceiling and slide it over this threaded rod, and then put the washer and the nut on there. And that's it.